Welcome to Burin Teaches AI. Hi, I'm Burin, an AI trainer and digital content creator with experience in artificial intelligence, automation tools, and prompt engineering. I specialize in teaching people how to use AI in daily life, business, and creative work. I'm the founder of Burin Teaches AI, a learning platform focused on making AI simple, practical, and accessible for everyone. With experience in AI, automation tools, and prompt engineering, I'm here to guide you. This training includes following modules. Module 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Module 2, How AI Works, Machine Learning and Deep Learning. Module 3, Using AI Tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney and more. Module 4, Prompt Engineering Basics. Module 5, AI in Daily Life and Business Automation. Module 6, AI versus Human Jobs, The Shift in Workspaces. Module 7, Future Trends in AI and Ethical Considerations. Why this training matters. AI is transforming industries, and your understanding is key. Learn to leverage AI for efficiency and innovation. Understand AI's impact on jobs and society. Stay ahead in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Ready to unlock the future? Subscribe to Burin Teaches AI and let's explore together. Let's dive in and embrace the world of AI together.